A is for airplane soaring in the sky. Zoom, 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 up so high. B is for balloon floating with the breeze. Whisk, 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 fly with ease. C is for chopper spinning round and round. Whir, 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 up off the ground. D is for drone buzzing like a bee. Psst, 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 over land and sea. E is for eagle, wings so wide. Flap, 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 gliding with pride. F is for fighter jet, fast as can be. Zoom, 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 watch and see. G is for glider, quiet and light. Shh, 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 smooth in flight. H is for hot air balloon, colorful and bright. Up, 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 what sight? I is for interceptor, quick in the air. Whoosh, 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 zooming everywhere. J is for jet, flying super fast. Vroom, 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 zooming past. K is for kite, dancing in the sky. Swish, 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 watch it fly. L is for landing craft, coming down slow. Tap, 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 nice and low. M is for microlight, tiny but strong. Buzz, 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 buzz all day long. N is for nighthawk, flying in the night. Flap, 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 out of sight. O is for orbiter, traveling through space. Wish, 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 winning the race. P is for paraglider, floating on air. Swish, 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 without a care. Q is for quadcopter, lifting off fast. Psst, 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 wind that lasts. R is for rocket, powering to the moon. Boom, 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 see you soon. S is for spaceship, traveling in space. Zip, 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 a cosmic race. T is for transport plane, carrying heavy loads. Row, 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 row down the road. U is for ultralight, plane flying slow and free. Zoom, 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 just like a bee. V is for VTO, taking off with the hop. Hum, vroom, 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 up without a stop. W is for warplane, powerful and loud. Boom, 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 over the clouds. X is for its wing, futuristic and sleek. Zap, 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 tech so unique. Y is for yacht plane, landing on the bay. Splash, 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 fly away. T is for Zeppelin, floating up high. Puff, 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 touch